If you love cash stuffing videos and want to see how putting a little aside can help you pay off debt, this one is for you. Yes, I'm a living witness. I'm cash stuffing today, $9.89, and I'm officially paying off my second credit card. So if this is something that you're into, let's get into it.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my
Hey girlfriend, welcome back to my channel, Gracefully Simplified. I am Janine. I'm your Christian budget coach, your single mom of 3, your go-to girlfriend for managing money with faith and intention and grace. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you more than you know. And if you're new here, hey, I'm so glad you're here. Around here, we budget boldly, we speak life over our finances, and always lead with God's grace. So it is Friday, y'all. It is payday. Hope everybody is doing good today, this Friday. So today I'm going to be cash stuffing $9.89, which is crazy. The amount really was $9.90, but I took $1 and put it in my debt binder because I'm paying off my second credit card this month, and I'm gonna do a whole nother video on my debt update and me paying off the credit card. So look forward to that video. But yep, so let's get into this really quick. We're gonna count the cash really quick, and then I'm just gonna go over my budget really quick. So let me turn this on, y'all. All right, so we wanna start. All right, so we are going to be stuffing $9.89, $200, $300, $400, $50, $100, $200, $210, $200, $2, $4, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10 plus $100, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $81, $82, $83, $84, $85, $86, $87, $88, $89, $9.89. All right, so I just wanted to talk about my budget really quick. And this is going to be me stuffing my third paycheck in May. So I'm new to cash stuffing. This is how I cash stuff. So all of my bills are on auto pay. The only thing that I cash stuff is my variable. So basically, this is my paycheck tracker that I created. If you would like, a link will be in my bio. And it's a simple paycheck tracker that comes with expense tracker that you can get. So let's just get into it. So this is my income that I brought in, $3,555. So then I give my tithe to God, and then these are my fixed expenses. The ones that you see checked off is things that I already paid. So the Verizon, the life insurance, the Netflix, and the ChatGPT, that is for June. So what I like to do is I will use this last check in May and I will pay things for June. And then it will cover me until my next payday, which is June the 12th. So all of this will be budgeted in a 2-week basis. So basically, this is what I do: $355 minus this fixed expenses, $1,549 minus this is my extra debt payment that I'm making, minus my variable expenses, minus my graduation ticket for my high school reunion. And this is what I'll put in my savings. $176 is left over. So in total left would be $0. And it's a zero-based budget because we are giving every dollar a job. So let's just get into the cash stuffing. So this is my miscellaneous envelope. It doesn't have anything in there. And on my budget, we're going to put 45 in here. So we're going to put 45. And this is 2 weeks, 45. The next one is car. So it has 90 in here, y'all. 6, 8, 90. So it already has 90 in here for my gas. So I was supposed to put 70 in here. But let me see. I don't think I'm going to put 70 because I honestly feel like that's too much and I already have 90. So what I'm going to probably do is just put 30 in gas. And I'm going to write this down. So I'm putting 30. And this is already buffed up or not. I need to put 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20. Wait a minute. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 20. So 120. I don't need no more in this gas because honestly, This is already buffed up enough, and I do need to fill my car up with gas, but this is already enough in here. So the pet should have 43. So I'm supposed to be adding 50. I will add 50 to it. So I'm gonna do it. So we are going to add that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3. So 93 for pet. This is gonna go for my dog food. Beauty only has $6 in here. So I remember my last video I had spent some dollars. Beauty is 25. So I am gonna add 25 in here. 5. So now we have 31, 20, 25, 30, 31. So I will add these to 31. So this is my hair. It has 169 in here. 100, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. I should have 169. That might be all. 100, 2, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So actually this has 164, which is a little short. All right, 164. We're going to be adding 152. How about, yeah, let me see. So we're going to add 150 because we get our hair done once a month, and my son still needs to get his hair done. So let's add this together. So we added 150, 100, 200, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 300, 310, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's 314, which honestly, that's I only need really 300 in here, but let's see, 314, because 300 will be a month ahead. So here's what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to take the 14 out. I'm going to put this 10 back, and I'm going to put these ones, and I'm only going to keep 300 in here. 4, 6, 8, 10, 100. 300 is enough, because really the budget for this category is 285. So 300 is enough in here. It's already buffered on. So this will be paying for our hair in June. Groceries do not ever have anything, y'all, and it's just like a grocery. I'm going to try it. I usually budget $230 every week for my groceries, but I'm really going to try to do, because $230 times 4 is $920 I'm paying for groceries, and I do pay a little more, but I'm really going to try to challenge myself and really try to get our budget for the groceries to $800. So I'm going to see if it's going to work this month, but we will see. And so this week when I go, I know we need more groceries this week. So I'm going to pay $300 for this first week. And then next week I'm going to do $200. But moving forward, I'm only going to try to budget $400 for every 2 weeks. So that's $200 every week to see if that works. So we're going to put big bills. So 400, 400, 500. So we are going to put 500 in groceries. Now dining out, that's fast food. That's going to get, I'm going to do 40 for fast food. And that's every 2 weeks. Listen, that's going to go extremely fast. But we'll put 40 in there. And this is household toiletries. My budget for this one is 40 as well. We'll put 40 in here. Look, y'all, see, that's why I do not like these envelopes. It just broke. And now I can't get it open. Let me see. Oh, man. All right, y'all. So that one broke. So actually, I'm just going to use this one. That's crazy. I need some more envelopes. $40 on the toiletries. I need to make some envelopes. All right, so that's it with, this is my regular wallet. So let me just, so how much do we have left? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80. Let's just count this up. 60, 70, 80, 100, 110, 10, 120, 1, 2, 3, 123. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna figure out, this is the leftover. So what are we gonna do? This is my other low, I guess, sinking funds one. This is one that I have my debt that I am going to do a separate little video because I want to go over all my debt. I haven't put anything in Christmas or medical. What else is this? Car maintenance, birthdays, or even my son's school. So we're going to put some money in here. So I think Christmas, I'm going to add, Christmas has 23 in here. Christmas, I'm going to add another 20. So it'll be I made 20 for Christmas. Medical, how much has medical? Medical has 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3. So medical has 26. I think I'm going to put $10. So now it's going to have 36. We don't have anything in car maintenance. Let's put 20 in car maintenance. Car maintenance. Let's put 20 birthdays. This one. Eden school. This is a good one. I think I'm going to put the rest in my son's school. His balance is $800. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 53. So we're going to put $53 in here for my son's school, his balance in his school. That's it. We're going to close this one out. This other one is going to be like my debt one. It's strictly for my debt. I'm going to break this down, but there's nothing really in this one. So that is it for the cash stuffing. If you want to start your cash stuffing journey, grab my free budget template. It's in my stand store. It's the same one I use every paycheck. And if you're ready to go deeper, check out my paycheck budget and expense tracker. It's a bundle that I created that just will make budgeting so much simpler. Comment below and tell me how you're doing on this Friday. What envelopes you excited to stuff this week? And don't forget to like this video. Share it with another mom who is ready to take control of her money, and subscribe and join our beautiful community of women who are budgeting with faith and not fear. And always remember, budget with faith and prosper with grace. I will see you in the next video. I love you guys.